Hey, I'm Dave from Currys. Our Currys repair team are always on hand to help, even if you didn't purchase the product from us. Our nationwide team of repair experts can help diagnose and fix any problems with your tech super fast. From TVs and appliances, laptops to mobile phones, plus all of our repairs come with a 12-month guarantee to give you that extra peace of mind. To get your tech repaired, our experts can visit you at home to fix those larger appliances, whilst TVs and smaller products can be sent to our specialist repair centre. If you have a fault with a laptop you bought from us, our Repair Live service will try to diagnose and fix the problem with a live video call. If that problem can't be solved on the call, then we'll help you book a repair, return or exchange. If you do need a repair, give us a call on 0344 561 1234 or head into your local Currys store or online to currys.co.uk/services.